Hey everybody, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I live here in Los Angeles, California. I had an absolute blast putting this one together, so thanks a lot. Yeah, so I live downtown, and I've been riding scooters ever since they came out. I've got these two guys that go with me basically wherever I go. And probably one of the most fun trips we can take on a scooter is to the dog park in the Arts District. This is Dan, he's 2, and Dee, he's 1.5. They're the most fabulous travel companions. So, right guys?